Students, today we will be discussing quantitative aspects of electrolysis. तुम्हाला ठराविक फॉर्म्युले देते लिहूनच जे प्रॉब्लेम्स मी लॉकडाऊन सुरू झालं लॉकडाऊन हे रेग्युलर क्लासेस ऑफलाईन क्लासेस सुरू झाले की घेते कारण पटकन समजणार नाही मुलांना. Today I'll give you the idea of how these formulae are obtained and we have to solve problems on that. Point number 1. You know we pass electric current, electrical energy. हे तुम्हाला माहिती आहे परवा डिस्कस केले. इलेक्ट्रोलायसिस ऑफ aqueous sodium chloride, इलेक्ट्रोलायसिस ऑफ molten sodium chloride मध्ये we use external DC source and we pass current. Okay, and due to which chemical reactions are produced. The quantity of electricity passed, electricity is accompanied by flow of charge. Charge is what? Charge is measured in coulombs. So the quantity of electricity is equal to the charge flowing in coulombs. As per the definition of charge, charge is current which is measured in ampere multiplied by time which is measured in second, because current is rate of flow of charge. I is equal to Q upon T, therefore Q is equal to I into T, that is current in amperes multiplied by time in second. That is the quantity of electricity required or quantity of electric charge flowing through the given solution through the given electrolytic cell. First point. Second point, number of moles of electrons transferred. किती इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ट्रान्सफर होतात? नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ट्रान्सफर्ड इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इज द टोटल चार्ज रिक्वायर्ड? Q. So number of moles of electrons will be what? Charge, total charge divided by the charge on 1 mole of electron. Charge on 1 mole of electron. What is that? 1 mole of electrons carry a charge of 96,500 coulomb, ज्याला आपण फॅरेडे म्हणतो. So 96,500 coulomb is also called as Faraday. Point number 1. During electrolysis we require electricity. Electricity is accompanied by flow of electric charges. Electric charge, let me represent it by Q, and charge which is measured in coulombs. C म्हणजे coulomb. Charge is generally measured in coulombs, which is current in ampere multiplied by time in second. First point. In this process, the number of moles of electrons transferred as the charges move. What are the number of moles of electrons transferred? Students, charge on 1 mole of electron is how much? Total charge on 1 mole of electron is how much? 1 mole of electron carries 96,500 coulombs of charge. I repeat, 1 mole of electrons carry 96,500 coulomb of charge. So number of moles of electrons transferred is charge upon charge on 1 mole of electron, and that is Q divided by 96,500 coulomb per mole. I repeat, number of moles of the total moles of electrons transferred is charge upon charge on 1 mole of electron. Charge on 1 mole of electron is 96,500 coulomb per mole. That's it. Here's our number of moles of electrons. Next, third, number of moles of products formed. Moles of product formed. What is that? That is equal to moles of product formed will be mole ratio multiplied by the moles of electron transferred. Okay, moles of किती moles of products तयार झाले during the reaction? How many moles of products are formed? It is the product of mole ratio multiplied by moles of electron transferred. तुमच्या बोर्डावर आहे moles of electron transferred is how much? Q divided by 96,500, Q in coulombs, 96,500 coulomb per mole, which is charge on 1 mole of electron. What is mole ratio? Mole ratio is a ratio of what? moles of product formed, mole of product formed in half reaction. What is the meaning of half reaction? Oxidation and reduction दोन्ही घडतं. Red ox reaction takes place at anode oxidation, at cathode reduction reaction. त्याला half reaction म्हणतात. Moles of product formed during half reaction and number of divided by number of electrons required for half reaction. तेवढ्या त्या half reaction ला particularly electrons required for oxidation or reduction, you have to divide it. Number of electrons required for half reaction, that is your mole, number of moles of product formed. आता easy, mass of product formed will be what? Mass of product formed. What will be the mass of product formed? It will be moles of product formed multiplied by moles of product formed, mass of product formed multiplied by the molar mass of product. What is the moles of product formed? What is that? Moles of product किती तयार झाले? It is mole ratio. Moles of product is mole ratio multiplied by Q divided by 96,500 is the number of moles of product formed. What is mole ratio? Number of moles of product formed in half reaction divided by number of electrons required for the half reaction multiplied by molar mass. I can catch it as capital M. Molar mass of the product. That is the mass of the product formed. परत रिवाइज करते हैं. क्वांटिटेटिव्ह ॲस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोलायसिस म्हणतात त्याला, म्हणजे जी क्वांटिटी प्रोड्यूस होते किंवा रिक्वायर्ड असते त्याला. दॅट इज इट. व्हॉट इज द क्वांटिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी युटिलाइज्ड इन ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोलायसिस? इट इज इन फॉर्म ऑफ चार्जेस. Charge which is measured in coulombs, which is the product of current, and time. Number of moles of electrons transferred is what? Total charge, which is Q, divided by charge on 1 mole of electron. Charge on 1 mole of electron is 96,500 coulomb. एका mole of electron वर किती charge असतो? 96,500 coulomb of charge. What is the mole of product formed? It is mole ratio multiplied by mole of electrons transferred. Mole ratio म्हणजे काय? Moles of product formed in half reaction म्हणजे either oxidation or reduction divided by number of electrons required for half reaction multiplied by moles of electron transfer is this. Q divided by 96,500 coulomb per mole. What is the mass of product formed? It is the moles of product multiplied by the molar mass. हेच घ्यायचं आणि multiplied by molar mass of product करायचं. Ends the job. That is the mass of product formed. Clear concept? Yes, mass of product formed. Okay, आता पुढची गोष्ट बघूया आपण मुलांनो. See here. Consider two cells connected in series with each other. The weight of substance produced in one cell, if same quantity, I repeat, consider two cells instead of one single electrolytic cell. I will take two electrolytic cells and we will connect them in series. We'll connect them how? We'll connect them in series. The mass of substance deposited in one cell is equal to what? I will take it as W1 is equal to mole ratio for cell number 1 multiplied by quantity of electricity passed is same through both of the cells because they are connected in series. 96,500 multiplied by molar mass of cell number 1. Mass of substance deposited in cell number 2 is mole ratio in cell number 2 multiplied by Q divided by 96,500 into M2. What is same? हे सेम आहे. घरा बघूया. आता इथं सांगा मला Q divided by 96,500 इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, चला बघूया, W1 डिवाइडेड बाय मोल रेशियो मल्टीप्लाइड बाय M1. Here Q divided by 96,500 is equal to what, W2 upon mole ratio multiplied by M2. LHS same, RHS same, because same quantity of electricity is passed through each of them. त्यामुळे LHS दोन्ही साइडला सेम. Therefore you get W1 divided by mole ratio into M1 is equal to W2 mole ratio of cell number 1 into M1 W2 mole ratio of cell number 2 into M2. हा फॉर्म्युला वापरून you can do the calculation part. That's it. Clear students? बघा, electricity, charge Q, number of moles transferred, total charge upon charge on 1 mole of electron. 1 mole of electron contains 96,500 kilocoulombs of charge, ज्याला फॅरेडे म्हटलं जातं. ओके, number of moles of product formed is mole ratio multiplied by moles of electron transferred. mole ratio म्हणजे काय, ratio of mole of product formed in half reaction divided by number of electrons required for half reaction. Number of moles of electron transferred is this. Mass हे पूर्ण घ्या, number of moles of product formed घ्यायचा multiplied by molar mass. Number of moles of product formed is mole ratio multiplied by Q divided by 96,500 into molar mass of product is this. If you, instead of one cell, if you take two cells and connect them in series, purpose is same quantity of electricity is passed through both of them. Let me say W1 is the amount of substance deposited in cell number 1. W2 is the amount of substance deposited in cell number 2. Mole ratio, हे बघा हाच फॉर्म्युला वापरला. Mole ratio for cell number 1 96 Q divided by 96,500 into M1, which is the molar mass of the substance in cell number 1. हा घेतला, cross multiply. Weight of substance deposited in cell number 2 is mole ratio in cell number 2, Q divided by 96,500 into M2. हे झालं. Since same quantity of electricity is passed through both of them, equate करा, job is over. That's it. Clear concept? Okay. For today I will stop. We'll continue in the next period, that is of galvanic cell. म्हणून त्याला salt bridge आणि सगळं शिकवायचं आहे.